welcome to our channel, to our Argon family channel. My name is Kaylee Argon and this is my brother Anthony Argon. Today we're going to be making a slime tutorial and I hope you enjoy it. And just make sure to subscribe and click the bell below if you want to have notifications of when we're going to be making our next videos. Okay, and now to the slime. Hello. So, first you need 2 bowls and obviously something to mix it with. Then you need some glue. Okay. Pour in a little bit because you don't want your slime to be sticky. And then you close the glue. Then the next thing you're gonna need is shaving cream. It makes it fluffy.
Yeah, we're making a fluffy slime.
Okay. You put a lot of glue, so don't put some like a lot. Got it. Okay.
Then we need some. No,
then you're gonna mix it up. Confused on how to grab it.
After you've done that,
Grab
pour
some
your activator.
food coloring.
Oh, yeah. Grab some food coloring.
Any color of your choice.
Mine is blue because my blue is my favorite color.
And I picked pink because my pink's my favorite color. Coming out. Okay. I'll be right back with another. I need a stick. Okay. Good coloring for
Then you just have to stir it up. Then you just stir it up. Once it changed to
the color you want it to be. And remember, shaving cream makes every color lighter. So, and if you add a lot of, it's better to not add a lot because then when you're playing with it, your hands are gonna turn like whatever color it is, and it's just better to leave it the color it is because it's slime. And there's shaving cream in it. If you're just using regular glue, I think it would work the regular color you want it to be. But if you're adding shaving cream and making fluffy slime, then yeah, you're probably gonna wanna just put it like that.
and I'm done.
Okay, so so it looks like that blue wasn't really working on the slime.
Okay.
So I guess he just put basically the whole bottle. You want to know the shade of blue? Tell me. Is it okay if I do that? Okay, so after you're done with that, you get some activator, or we like to use eye contact solution. It actually works pretty well. Try not to put a lot, because if you put too much, the slime just gets more watery. Since we've made a lot of slime before, I kind of figured it out. The truth is that the activator kind of makes it watery, so sometimes it's better to put shaving cream in. I know it sounds crazy, but if you've ever made slime and you do it how we do it, you kind of already know that it's better to do it. Put more shaving cream if it's starting to get watery. This is actually a good workout. I mean,
you put some more. When you put more, if it's liquidy, just put some more shaving cream and activator, and then the problem will be fixed.
Okay, I see it. It's coming in. Ooh. I think I'm gonna start kneading. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna start kneading, all right? This is the most messiest and probably my favorite part of slime. And maybe my mom's the worst favorite part of it. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. Are you ready to start eating? Ah!
Mine already turned into slime in the bowl. And actual fluffy.
I need more. How am I gonna do this now?
Put it back in the bowl.
Can you put more shaving cream? How am I gonna put it back in the bowl if it's already like? Thank you. Okay. There we go. Starting to get better. Okay. So it's already slime. It's just really sticky slime. Wait, now it's at the edge of the table. I'm gonna drop this on my clothes.
Because you gotta scoop every last bit of it.
Dang, how are you such a pro at this? I showed you what slime was. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Alright, yeah. Can you give me some more? Ha! No. Shaving cream.
Now you're in my shoes.
Alright. Now we
Okay, it's coming. It's coming now. I like the color of it. I thought the color was gonna be ugly, but it came
Can you
out
please
pretty
give me
nice.
some more activator?
Shaving cream. May I please have more? No. Shaving cream. Oh, actually, that made it better. Oh, my arm. My hands are so tired.
Cuando está lista ya no se pega en la mano.
Can you pass me the activator? But put a lot.
It's starting to work now. It's just really sticky.
Alright.
No, well, sure. I guess. This is probably the longest we've ever taken to make slime. It's like one of those situations when you think when you finally know how to make slime.
10 minutes later, everywhere.
Ooh, it's getting better now. I still want ingredients. It's getting better now. Oh, and it's so fluffy. Sure. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
I love this. Yes. Now it's good. All the hard work will pay off when you have a very fluffy slime
To play with
Yes.
each and every morning and day of your second of life.
After you're done with like completing it, kind of. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought you put slime all over it. Oh. And you need help with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try more shaving cream. Okay, go. Ah, it's helping, right? Anthony, your color is really nice. I like the color just now. Okay.
Mira,
Oh no.
es verde, es verde.
So the most satisfying thing that I like about slime is poking it. Oh, you can hear it. And then do this. Bring it down and then hear the popping of the bubbles. He has it. He has it. He's getting to it. Get into it.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. He's getting it. He's getting it. This is so big. I told you not to add so much glue.
Depending on the amount of how much
glue you use, it's gonna be harder. So it's better to make a medium-sized slime, or small, medium sized.
If you want a big slime, just put more glue. And then
Put more glue. But if you put more glue, that means more shaving cream, more activator, more work. Oh, wait, there's still some things in it. I'll take it. Yay, finally. And then after all that, it is ready. Your slime is ready to be pre-whipped. Yeah. You're also gonna need some bags to put it in, or if you have a container. And yeah.
and it's done.
Okay, and then you grab a bag or like a container or something to put it in. And after that, you're basically done. Bye, everyone.
Bye everyone.